Yo, what's going on, everybody? John Viet back with a brand new video. Today's video, we're doing a time lapse of a driveway cleaning. First, we're going to go ahead and lay down our pre-treatment of our surfactant and our chlorine. And we always let the customer know that first we're going to chlorinate the floors, and then we're going to come back with our floor machine and get all of that dirt and mold and mildew cleaned up. And then we're just going to go ahead and rinse it. So I was actually doing some exclusive content for my TikTok. If you guys want, go ahead and head over there to TikTok and watch my exclusive content at Real John Viet. I'll leave that link in the description so everybody can go check me out there. But we just also wanted to get some content for you guys for YouTube. So we're recording with the GoPro, and all the equipment that I have used in this video will be linked in the description. We also got this job through Facebook ads. So if you guys need any help with your Facebook ads setup, send me a text at 843-888-2371. And me and my company can help you set up your Facebook ads and jump on a 1 hour long call. I'll also optimize your Facebook business page to go ahead and start getting more jobs. And I'll show you how I set up my Facebook ads, how I'm staying super busy. So I hope everybody is doing well and continuing to work on your business. But we've been staying super busy down here in Florida. So we just got this driveway and put them on our 6-month plan. So we'll be back out and take care of this driveway here in about 6 months. We want to put our customers on a 6-month plan. So now we're just easily rinsing with our ball valve, and the dirt comes right up. You can see that this was an easy driveway, one pass, and everything looks brand new. So I'm really loving this ball valve. I just got it a few weeks ago, and I've been able to test it out a lot, and it really makes things great because you don't have to go and turn off the machine. You can easily just switch on the ball valve and it'll get straight there. So you can just go ahead and rinse with the ball valve as well. As you guys can see here, I just did the surface cleaning, and then we're going to go ahead and rinse that